Are you tired of getting stopped out just before price moves in your favor? Ever wonder how big players, institutions, and hedge funds always seem to be one step ahead? Well, it's because they follow smart money concepts, and now you can too. Today, we're gonna talk about smart money concepts, aka SMC. If you guys are into trading, you guys know that there are a lot of strategies when it comes down to trading, and smart money concepts is one of the major ones. If you do not know what smart money concepts is, stay tuned because I'm gonna give you a breakdown of everything that you guys see on this chart. And if you guys are a lifetime member, you guys will receive this indicator and another one that I will show you at the end of the video today if we get this video to 100 likes. If not, sometime this week, I'll just go ahead and come in here and hit that publish indicator button. But if you guys want this indicator, which I know you guys do because you guys are spamming the Discord, hit that like button, drop a comment, drop some flame emojis because I want to go ahead and push these new tools out. We have a bunch of tools coming to you from the Trusted Signals family. And right now you guys can get all this for 50% off. Link in the comment. Also, if you need a broker with super low spreads, go to HankoX.com right now. I repeat, HankoX.com right now. This is the broker that we are using to trade this exact SMC strategy. So you're probably asking yourself, what is smart money concepts and how can I start trading utilizing this specific strategy right here? Smart money concepts is a trading approach that focuses on institutional order flow, liquidity, market structure, and price manipulation tactics. This indicator right here that you're seeing on your screen literally has everything that you need if you are a smart money concepts trader or if you want to become one. This isn't just another indicator throwing random signals at you. Our SMC indicator is fully automated, marking break of structure, change of character with clear labels, order blocks so you know exactly where the banks are buying and selling, liquidity zones so you avoid stop hunts and traps, fair value gaps to spot high probability price reactions, and best of all, it works on Forex, stocks, cryptos, indices, and any time frame on TradingView. Look at this 1 minute side-by-side comparison with our indicator and without our indicator. You can obviously already see the clear winner when it comes to trading style and trading strategy. We give you premium and discount zones where you're gonna get the best potential buys or sells. And then as well, for example, even on this specific trade right here, you have a clear uptrend, but you know that we are coming back down to retest this area. And instead of actually going up and getting in on the wrong side of the action, you see right here, we have a change of character, meaning that this is no longer a bullish trend. Now we are gonna go ahead and see the downside. And as you guys can see here, we are on the way down. Now, if you just trade order blocks, I turned off every specific setting in this indicator and just only left on this area to show order blocks and show premium discounts. If you're not familiar with what an order block is, it's a price zone where institutions place large buy or sell orders before a major move. So you can clearly see right here where we're getting our premium and discounts, and then the order blocks are where we're gonna go ahead and fill our buys. So if price does eventually come down here, you know where to place your buy orders, right where the banks are placing their bank orders, where price can be most likely bouncing off of. This indicator is jam-packed with a bunch of other things: fair value gap, trend lines, Fibonacci, daily highs and lows, and we even have AMD concept, which I have another video coming very soon. So if you stayed until now, drop AMD concept if you want to go ahead and see what these settings do, because if you're not familiar with an AMD concept, this is basically accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. And this can literally impact your trading and make you guys more money when entering the market. Now, if you want to go ahead and see a complete settings breakdown of this specific indicator right here, I suggest you subscribe to the channel because we have 4 more videos releasing this week on this specific tool. And we also want to go ahead and showcase the Prime Suite Pro. This one is an indicator that's jam-packed with a bunch of indicators that we already have, but this one is super profitable because as you guys can see right here, we're showing you guys strong resistance, strong support, and notice where these locations are. These are right by the order blocks that we just talked about. So if you want all of these tools right here on your screen, the only way to get them is to join lifetime membership, and they will be releasing within the next few days. If you guys like these style videos, we have way more coming. Hit that like button, hit that sub button. Also, if you're using RSI, stop right now and use this indicator instead. Watch this video because this one is gonna go ahead and help you guys become way more profitable.